Stoelting Companion Cart Portable Cleaning System is the easiest way to clean your equipment. The Companion Cart 1 or 2 can be used for disassembly, cleaning, and sanitizing of your equipment. Today we will show you how to use the Companion Cart to clean a soft serve freezer. If you are using the Companion Cart 1 and 2, the clean-in-place automated cleaning head is not included, but the cart still gives you the capabilities of a 3-sink system anywhere you might not have power or water readily available. The first step will be to disassemble the machine and place parts into the sink after filling with water and a mild detergent. After the parts are thoroughly washed, drain the sink and refill with fresh water. Then, rinse the parts in fresh water. Once all of the parts are rinsed, drain the water from the sink. Next, fill the sink with sanitizing solution by turning the dial and using the wand. Finally, place the parts on the drain board to air dry. To learn more about this or any other Stoelting product, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.